and subscribe mo na yan. At i-click mo na din ang notification bell para updated ka sa more updates.
Good morning mga kasis! This is Ma'am Tina. So for today's vlog, I will show you yung bagong prod na pinupush ng aking supplier. So technically, I just had this yesterday. Dapat kagabi ko pa to ginamit. But unfortunately, medyo napagod ang kasis nyo sa pag-general cleaning yesterday. So ngayon ko pa lang siya i-unbox. At the same time, ngayon ko pa lang din siya gagamitin. It has the following. So technically, inopen ko na yung kanyang Kojic bar. And one thing about this, it has this the toner and tatlo yung creams niya. It has this glowing sunblock, this one, the glowing sunblock cream, glowing age eraser, and definitely the glowing rejuvenating cream. According to my supplier, ito daw ay bagong release lang at ang CEO nito ay si Mrs. Global Universe. Okay? Kalimutan ko pangalan niya. Pero si Mrs. Global Universe yan. So I will try this soap nila and then let's see kung ano. Yan, medyo mga naglawit pa ang aking mga kagamitan. Pagigising ko lang kasi hindi pa rin ako nakakapag-linis o nakakapag-breakfast. Ito muna ang inuna ko. So let's see. Sabi niya ganyan-ganyan lang daw to. Yan. Then, circle, circle, circle. Yan. Ang bango niya, in fairness, mga kasis. Mga kamamos, di ba? Bigyan niyo nga ako ng, or comment niyo nga yung suggestion niyo. Ano kayang maganda kong intro? Kasi yung gumawa ng intro ko ay ang aking pangalan. And by the way, nakalimutan ko yung turo niya. Sabi niya, ilagay ko daw to. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And please press the notification bell para updated ka po sa mga bago kong videos. I-insert ko dito yung intro ng aking anak. Kasi mas magaling siyang mag-intro sa akin. So this is it. Sabi niya, ito daw sabon, medyo ganyan-ganyan din lang. Before kasi, what I'm using is this. Itong Herb Day ng The Face Shop. Medyo ang pricey niya. Alam niyo naman ngayon, pandemic, so medyo nagtitipid si ma'am. So I'm trying this rejuvenating set. Ang SRP niya is 350 pesos. O, diba? Compared to this facial, I guess this facial foam is worth 400. But this kit is worth 350 pesos. Diba? Ayan na. Medyo meron siyang tingling effect. Hindi ko alam kung manipis na ba yung balat ko or masyadong sensitive na balat ko. Pero yung soap pa lang niya, may tingling effect na. Okay, wash ko na po at baka...
Ako ay tumapano.
O, diba? Yan. I don't usually dry my face ng towel. I don't usually do that. Most of the time, I just let it, diba, mag-drip and nahayaan ko lang siyang matuyo. Parang air dry ang nangyayari. So, linisin ko lang tong mga kit at ipapasok ko ulit sa box. And then, we will use this once dried up na yung face ko. Siguro maybe this time, gagamit na ako ng towel to dry my face. So, this is it. Ito na. So, na-air dry na siya. Pinapatang ko na siya ng fan. If you would notice, dito ako nag-vid sa kusina. Kasi yung anak ko, nasa room pa, tulog pa siya. So, technically, hindi ko naman siya maaabala doon. At baka ako mapagalitan ng aking baby big girl, ng aking panganay. Mamaya pa ang gising nun eh. So, I'm trying now the toner. It says it's a gorgeous glow rejuvenating toner. It's in all-in-one Wonger toner. It's age-defying, whitening, anti-pimple, and brightening. So let's see, kasi medyo meron pa akong konting pimple marks here, if you would notice. Ito pa yung matagal ko ng pimple marks. So sige, let's try. While I'm doing this, I would like to share with you yung aking mga ginagawa lately. So these past few days, actually it was last Sunday, when I had a chat with my friend. Nagtitinda siya ng isang lot sa Himlayan, that is where you are supposed to be pag dumating na yung iyong final days. Why am I telling this? Mamatay na ba ako or what? Hindi naman ganun. It's just that I know that I will be there siguro in 20 or 30 years from now. So I'm 33 now. A mother of two, parang nagpakilala lang. I'm 33, so perhaps 20 or 30 years from now, dun na din ako ilalagak. So that's for my eternal peace and for my eternal repose. Nag-alok ako sa aking mga pinsan at sa aking mga kamag-anak. Fortunately, yung isang pinsan ko talagang napaka-open-minded. Sabi niya, naku, meron na kami, nakakuha na kami. So, ex na siya. Yun namang aking tita, inalok ko, sabi niya sa akin. Medyo natawa nga lang ako eh. Sabi niya sa akin, ako, yan ang ayaw ng tito mo kasi parang alam na daw niya kung saan ilalagay. Kiddingly aside, that's based on my opinion. We should prepare for it naman. Kasi, di ba, as we were born, we are destined to die. Sabi nga nung aking philosophy teacher na kay Sir Henry. Hello, Sir Henry. If you could still remember me, I can still remember your teachings. So, I was in my second year college na, PhilMan, Philosophy of Man. Sabi niya sa amin, the two letter M's daw in our palms, the two letter M's dito that you could find, yan, the letter M here, yan, that's it, and another letter M here, yan. It stands daw for memento mori, which means you have to remember to die. Diba? We have to remember daw to die. So when I search it online against a Google Scholar, the meaning of memento mori is to remember to die. There is the direct opposite of it, which is memento viver, which is remember to live. So ngayon, I am remembering to live. But as much as I remember to live, I am also remembering to die. So piniem ko si husband, sabi ko, Daddy, ako ay kukuha sa Sunday nung sa Himlayan Bawan. At the same time, mag-aalok na rin ako. Malay mo may commission din naman yun. Parang may 5% referral fee ako or 6% referral fee. Sayang din yun. Pambili din ng gatas yun ng anak ko. Parang lagi naghihirap So, basta mahilig lang talaga akong rumakit-raket. And at the same time, nakita ko naman yung legalities. Meron namang may mga proper documents, tama yung office, so that's it. Kukuha ko on Sunday. So baka ma-vlog ko siya or ma-record ko siya on Sunday na nandun ako sa Himlayan, Bawan, and then the office. Punta rin ako doon kasi magpapas ako ng mga requirements. So yun lang, about death, it's an inevitable fact. Diba? Same goes with when you were born, it was also an inevitable fact, inevitable situation, something that you really cannot avoid. To be born and definitely to die. Ayoko naman kasi most of my friends are telling me, bakit ba ang hilig-hilig mo sa insurance? By the way, I have Sun Life Insurance and my kids have their own insurance too. My panganay is with BDO Life. Ang aking namang bunso ay under sa Sun Life Insurance. Bakit daw ba lagi akong mahilig sa insurance na yan? Kasi alam mo yun, bilang ikaw ay galing sa isang mahirap na pamilya at hanggang ngayon naman mahirap pa din kami. medyo okay na nga lang ang aming pamumuhay, medyo komportable na dahil sa aming mga paghihirap. Pag pala galing ka doon, talagang lahat gusto mong paghandaan. Ayoko kasing dumating yung sa point na sabi nga ng aking mami, ayoko naman na basta na lang ako ipabalot sa banig at itatapon, di ba? Tatapon sa ilog. Di ba yung talagang super nakatira sa mga depressed areas, yung halos wala silang may bigay na marangal na lagakan o libingan ng kanilang mga minamahal, or iniisip pa nila kung saan nila ilalaga. Talagang mangungutang sila kung saan sila ilalaga. To be honest, ako naman pag ako namatay, I will leave my kids a good fortune. Hindi nila isipin kung saan nila kukunin ang ipapalibing sa akin. Lalong hindi nila isipin kung saan nila ako ililibing. Kasi pupunta na lang nila ako doon. And then that's it. All is set na for them. So yun, isang bagay na dapat pala nating pinaghahandaan ay ang ating wakas. Parang paghahanda rin natin ang ating bawat simula. Kailangan din natin paghandaan ang ating bawat wakas. So ituloy ko lang yung cream ko, ha? But since ngayon ay morning, I'll be using... Sige anak, get mo na yung fan. Nihingi na nung bunso ko yung fan. Kasi nga, ginamit ko at nagpa-air dry ako. So this is it na. Dry na siya. So, nagpa-powder lang ako. Ito lang gamit kong powder. Ever since. I love Johnson's, by the way. Sana bigyan ako ng Johnson's na free product pagka nakita nila tong vlog ko. Kahit free powder lang po. Kasi lakas namin sa powder. So this is it. Ang ganda niya sa face. Parang, di ba? Lip tint na lang ang kulang. I'll be using... Pipili na lang ako din sa mga testers ko. By the way, I have a lot of testers kasi I'm selling also lip matte. Kaya nga kanina, ang aga ng transaction ko, thanks sa aking hipag, kay Ate Jing, order siya nung... Actually, pinilit ko na siya umorder, gawin niya ng 3. Dalawa lang ino-order niya, pero sabi ko gawin niya ng 3 at may free siyang isang tester. So, I'll be using Romance. Ayan. Ito yung sinasabi nila na skin pa lang, on the go na. So, siguro, lip matte na lang ang kulang. Let's see. Just let it dry for seconds perhaps bago ko siya ipunta sa aking upper lip. Kasi pag hindi, pupunta siya sa teeth ko. Voila. That's it. So, ready na pong magsaing ang madam at maghugas. By the way, ang dami kong hugasin ngayon. Okay na. Thanks to Gorgeous Glow Philippines. Mukhang mag-enjoy akong gamitin. So, words of wisdom. The letter M's in our palm. But please, i-disclaim ko lang po yung other meanings of this according to palmistry. Hindi po ako expert ng palmistry. But if you would search online, napakadami namang meanings nito. Parang it's marriage, money, ganyan. Meron pang meaning for the left hand, meron pang meaning for the left hand, for meaning for the right hand. Okay? But I am simply citing yung tinuro sa akin ng aking si Sir Henry, my college professor, my former college professor, Sir Henry po. Hi po kay Sir Henry ulit. It's memento mori. It's remember to die. So if you would remember to die, you would remember to prepare for it. Goodbye everyone and have a nice day. Please don't forget po to subscribe, watch, share, and please subscribe po para dumami na po ang ating subscribers. Thanks a lot and I love you all. Mwah! Ma'am Tina signing off.